Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing, and this was the last week of Improvisation Month. And today we talked about phrases in music. We specifically talked about ABA structure in music and how you kind of want to express that through your dancing. So we essentially had people dance their move for 4/8 and pass it around. We played a lot of those different games. And then we talked about breaks. 3 breaks that I gave you. Shim sham break. 8-1. Chunky do break. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one version of walk turn. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you had those 3 breaks, and then we walked around and we did one of those breaks on the 4th 8 of each phrase. And then we brought it all together and did like a mini little jam, and you did great, and it was beautiful. Bye.